Today's video, we're going to watch some of the most common riddles that exist in English. Learning English can be fun. In fact, the more fun activities are that we propose to practice this language, the results will be better. And one of funnier activities are the riddles, because it's an interesting way to acquire vocabulary. Riddles are simple enigmas telling form of rhyme. So, let's start. Riddles in English. What can you catch but not throw? What can you catch but not throw? A cold. A cold. What has a head and a tail but not body? What has a head and a tail but not body? A coin. A coin. What jumps when it walks and sits when it stands? What jumps when it walks and sits when it stands? A kangaroo. A kangaroo. It is on your head and under your hat. What is it? It is on your head and under your hat. What is it? Your hair. Your hair. I always come down but never go up. What am I? I always come down but never go up. What am I? The rain. The rain. I'm your uncle's brother, but I'm not your uncle. Who am I? I'm your uncle's brother, but I'm not your uncle. Who am I? Your father. Your father.